How much should you actually spend on a metal detector? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, National Geographic Starter Kit. Let's kick things off with the National Geographic Starter Metal Detector Kit for kids. This colorful little gem from Blue Marble caught my eye because it's designed specifically for young treasure hunters. If you want to spark a child's curiosity and enthusiasm for exploration, this is worth a serious look. What really makes this metal detector stand out is its 7.4-inch waterproof coil, which can detect objects up to 4 inches deep. So, whether it's at the beach or in the backyard, kids can find buried treasures without any hassle. Plus, it's lightweight at just 1.2 pounds, making it easy for kids to handle. The LED and audio alerts are a nice touch too, letting them know when they're close to something exciting. Now, I will be real with you. Some parents mentioned that it doesn't have the best range for deeper finds. But here's the thing, this is primarily for kids just getting into metal detecting. It's not meant to compete with adult models, so that limitation really isn't a deal breaker for its purpose. This is perfect for you if you have a curious child who loves adventure, but skip this one if you're looking for something more advanced or deeper detection capabilities. Given its price point, it offers a solid introduction to the hobby. Now, if that doesn't quite fit what you're after, the next product might actually be better for more serious treasure hunting.
Product number 2, Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker IV, which is a fantastic all-terrain metal detector for both adults and kids. At around $64.99, it's pretty budget-friendly for what it offers. If you want something versatile for various terrains, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-inch waterproof coil is perfect for beach hunting, and its 3 detection modes, all metal, tone, and discrimination, help you filter out junk and focus on what really matters, coins and treasures. With a 30-hour battery life, you can spend a good chunk of the day exploring without worrying about running out of juice. However, some users mention that the analog controls can feel a bit outdated compared to digital models. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the simplicity can actually be a plus, especially for beginners who don't want to be overwhelmed by too many settings. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable detector that you can take anywhere, but skip this one if you prefer a more modern digital interface. For the price, it delivers solid value for outdoor adventures. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious treasure hunters.
Product number 3, Professional Metal Detector by Rig, priced at $109.99. This one really caught my attention because of its advanced features aimed at serious treasure hunters. If you're looking for precision, this is worth a serious look. What sets this detector apart is its 12-inch IP68 waterproof search coil, allowing you to hunt in shallow waters and varied terrains confidently. The upgraded DSP chip ensures 40% higher accuracy, which means you can spot a quarter-sized object as deep as 12 inches underground. It also has 5 professional detection modes tailored for different types of hunting, maximizing your chances of finding something valuable. Now, some users did express concerns about the learning curve due to its advanced features. Here's the thing. If you're serious about metal detecting and ready to invest a little time learning, the performance payoff is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're an enthusiast or serious hobbyist looking for high accuracy and versatility. But skip this if you prefer something simpler for casual use. For the features offered, it's a great value. If the complexity of the lost product puts you off, then the next one might be right up your alley for ease of use.
Product number 4, Hazel-Walka Metal Detector. The Hazel-Walka Metal Detector, priced at $99.99. This model really targets beginners with its user-friendly design, which is why I'm excited to share it. If you want something that's easy to use without compromising performance, this is worth a serious look. The 10-inch waterproof coil offers an impressive detection depth, claiming to locate a quarter coin up to 10 inches underground. It features a large backlit LCD display, making it easy to read in different lighting conditions, and it comes with 5 detection modes to help you adjust based on what you're searching for. Plus, it assembles in just a minute, which is perfect for those on the go. However, a few users noted that the battery life could be better, averaging around 8 hours. But honestly, for those just starting out, it's usually enough for a day of treasure hunting, and you can easily recharge or replace batteries. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants a straightforward setup to get into metal detecting without any fuss, but skip this if you're looking for a device with more advanced features or longer battery life. At this price, it's a solid introduction to the hobby. And if you're looking for something even more professional, the final product on our list might just be the ticket.
Product number 5, VWin RC Professional Metal Detector. We have the VWin RC Professional Metal Detector at $179.99. This one is geared towards serious hobbyists and professionals alike. If you want a high-performance machine that can help you find deeper treasures, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature is its 13-inch waterproof DD coil, which allows for deeper penetration and faster coverage of ground compared to smaller coils. It not only detects all metals, but also offers discrimination modes to filter out unwanted items efficiently. The intuitive LCD backlight display is user-friendly, showing you everything you need to know at a glance, including target depth and type. That being said, some users found it a bit heavier than expected, which can lead to fatigue during long sessions. Here's the thing. If you're committed to treasure hunting and plan to use this regularly, the performance and features far outweigh the weight issue. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced treasure hunter looking for a professional level detector. But skip this if you're a beginner or just want something lightweight. For serious users, it's well worth the investment.
So, to wrap it all up, we started with a fun introduction for kids, then moved on to versatile options, and finished with some serious gear for dedicated treasure hunters. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, there's a metal detector here that fits your needs perfectly.